good morning. Alright, so a couple of interesting things here. Let's do this in 3 parts. Part 1, morning sniffles. I have a habit of waking up with these morning sniffles, which is why I sniffle a lot on these daily, short, 4-minute long, messagey things. Otherwise known as vlogs. I don't know what's wrong with me. I think I have eternal hay fever. This sniffling does go away about mid-morning, actually. So we're heading there now. So that should be good. It's nothing I can prevent. Antihistamines do absolutely nothing. So I don't know what much else you can do in this situation. So that's the end of part 1. Part 2. So being a guy who says he knows technology a lot is, I'm trying not to be overly arrogant with that. Although, give me a microwave and I'll run it is basically an operational motto of mine. Ooh, that backlighting is not good. But here's the thing, right? I only just realized that this phone, the phone I'm recording off now, well, I know that the rear-facing camera is 720p. That's not what's surprising here. What properly got me, and what I think I'm most embarrassed about, is the fact that the front-facing camera of this thing records in 4K. It doesn't record in 4K by default. You have to enable the option manually in camera settings. So it's pretty haphazard. Why am I tearing up? Oh, it's the wind. Okay. So I have to go in, actually changing manual setting. Lo and behold, I'm shooting in 4K video, which I believe is something like, what, 2160p? I still find it absolutely stupid that they use terminology like 4K or 2K, something like that. I've even heard the 8K touted, it's pretty dumb. So, one moment. So the other thing in relation to point 2 is that I can actually shoot 1080p at 60 frames. In fact, I can change the slow motion settings, so I'm shooting at 120 frames at 1080. Didn't know you could do that. And now I feel like a dumbass, because I remember being able to do this on my sidearm, my Canon G16. Great day for me. Alright, point 3. And quickly before a bus happens. Point 3. I realized that my general routine when it comes to submitting blog posts is as follows. I'll do a series of these dailies, and then every now and again, probably 1 weekend, probably 2, I'll do a long essay. Like, not as long, about as long as the videos, but it's a filmed essay. It does some editing. There's some time spent, there is narration. And I find that freaking hilarious, because that routine reminds me of, well, newspaper comics. Peanuts ones in particular, but I'm pretty sure there are others, where you have 6 days of just the daily strips, the nuggets, and then you have a Sunday strip, which is like full featured and occasionally in color. It's pretty good. I don't know if that's going to be my routine going forward, but that seems to have been the pattern. In fact, yesterday I uploaded 3 edited videos, 2 of which are essays. I don't think I could card like straight from here, but I don't know. You're gonna look back at this and laugh at exactly how many RD things you did in the midst of all of these stupid updates. But that's the way you're doing it. These are the rules you set out. Talk about anything you want. Okay, I've hit the 5-minute mark. Shouldn't really hold on for long, and my bus is on its way. So, see you later.